Hi guys, welcome to another Inkscape video tutorial in which we are going to learn how to work with patterns. So Inkscape comes up with a set of pre-made patterns that you can use in your artwork and even better. And even you can use your own graphics to make pattern as well. So let's see how does it work. So first of all, I'm going to go here and I have few objects here. So for example, if I'm going to select this one and then I'm going to go into the stroke paint, fill, and then here I can see there is an option, the pattern. So if I'm going to go into the pattern, so you can see like it has already used a node pattern, like there is a black stripes with the transparent color, and you can see the ratio is 1:1. So it means the black stripe and the transparent is equally distributed. And if I'm going to go for the second scale patterns, and I'm going to go with the ratio 2:1, for example this one, so it means the stripes are double and the transparency is almost half of them, so it's 2:1. The third one, I'm going to go again into the patterns and then I can choose, let's say, polka dot small, so you can see. For the next one, I can again go into the patterns and I can go polka dots large white. For the next one, I can go and choose, let's say, sand, you can see here. Next one, there are a lot of options you can choose, like there is another option, old paint, and I want to go with something unique, checkboard white, let's say, you can see here. And again, for the last one, I would also like to choose something wavy, for example. It looks nice. Hi guys, sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful and if you are a serious Inkscape learner, then I'm gonna recommend you can go into the description of this video where you would find my course link where I have over 7 hours of Inkscape videos. In every video, I explain each and every individual tool with an example as well. Moreover, if you want to collaborate, if you have some kind of projects or assignment and you want to connect, feel free to contact me with my email, which is also given into the description. Thank you. Okay, now what I would like to do is I have an object here which is a flower and I want to change it to a pattern. So for that, what I can do is I can select my object, then I can go into the objects, pattern, objects to the pattern, or there is a shortcut key, Alt I. Now you can see nothing is changed, but this flower is going to be added into the patterns, as you can see here, pattern 5808. So even you can go into the XML editor and then you can change the name of this pattern. So, and now if I want to apply a pattern to this one, I can go here and I can apply the pattern 5808, as you can see here. Okay, now if I'm going to go into the nodes and I want to update or I want to modify these patterns, so I'm going to go into the nodes tool, I'm going to select this, and then you can see I have 3 different controls. The first one is this one, and if I want to change the pattern as you want, so let's say I want to change it like this, I can change the pattern, and then you can see this control is also going to be moved, so I can even rotate as I want. And by holding this node, I can just change the design of the pattern. And from here, you can see like if I want to reduce the corners, I can reduce like that. So in this way, what I can do is I can create my own pattern and I can modify it. Now, what if I want to delete this? So first you need to make sure, like if you want to delete this pattern and you want to go back into the object. So the first thing is, you need to make sure this pattern is not going to be used anywhere. So for that's why I'm going to remove it from here. I'm going to choose some other kind of pattern here. And now again, I'm going to select this object, pattern, pattern to object. So it's going to be moved from pattern to object. But now if I would go back into the patterns and I would check pattern 5808, it should not be here. But if you can see sometimes, yeah, look at that, it's still here. So for that, what you can do is you can go into the files and then you can go clean up document. And after that, if I'm gonna go into the patterns again, and now you would not find that pattern. As you can see here, there is no more. Okay, so in this way what you can do is, like, you can play with the patterns, you can use already a lot of set of predefined patterns, you can create your own patterns, you can modify your own patterns, and then you can move from object to patterns, then patterns to the object, and much more. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel, where you are gonna find a lot of videos and tutorials. And if you are a serious learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video and you can find my course link, where I have over 5 hours of videos in which I have explained each and every tool in a very detailed video with an example as well. And if you have some projects or assignments or tasks, feel free to write me on my email, which is also given in the description. Thank you.